Hi, my name's Ross and I'm a photographer from Northern Ireland. Over the last few years, I have become obsessed with finding a camera that I can carry with me everywhere, that is awesome quality and takes great looking images straight out of the camera. As a professional photographer, I love editing when it's for work, but when I'm out and about taking photographs of my everyday life, I just want to be able to shoot and share without having to sit behind my computer for hours on end tweaking sliders in my editing software. And that's why I found LUMIX cameras perfect for me. Not only is the quality amazing, but I can choose and transfer a LUT from the LUMIX Lab App, send it to my camera and shoot away without the need for editing. And you can too. It's actually really easy. If you're unfamiliar with the term LUT, basically it stands for lookup table, but I like to think of them more as presets or filters or looks, but they're actually way smarter. When you take a photograph with the Real-Time LUT feature on your LUMIX camera, the look that you've chosen is applied to the image before it's saved rather than after, meaning the full quality of your photograph is preserved. Luckily, you don't have to look too far to find some really sick LUTs to use for your own images. LUMIX have a free app called the LUMIX Lab App, and it is filled to the brim with awesome LUTs ready to be downloaded and transferred to your camera. So let me show you how simple it is to do that. Once you've downloaded the LUMIX Lab App, head to the Download tab. Here you can find all of the LUTs on the app. You can preview the LUTs with an example image or even upload an example image of your own if you like. Once you find one you like, go ahead and hit download. The next thing to do is to transfer the LUT to your camera. So follow the simple instructions to pair your camera to the app. And once connected, you can move across to the LUT tab in the app where you'll find all of your downloaded LUTs. Choose a LUT and select Transfer to Camera. Pick a slot for it and hit LUT transfer and boom, that's your LUT transferred to your camera. I've just transferred one LUT here today, but my camera has room for something like 39 LUTs at any one time, which is loads. So that's us done with the app. Now let's get our camera ready to shoot with the LUT. If your camera has a LUT button, like my little S9 here, you can hit that, which opens Real-Time LUT, and you can start shooting with the LUT straight away. Not every LUMIX camera has a dedicated LUT button, so another way to get set up is to head into your camera's menu. Right at the very top, find Photo Style, select this, and then navigate across to Real-Time LUT. With Real-Time LUT selected, move down, and the first option is where you're going to add your downloaded LUT. So it's here where I'm going to select Nay, which is the LUT I just downloaded from the LUMIX Lab App. Once selected, you can move down the options below to tweak the LUT to suit your shooting style. Initially, when shooting with a LUT, I will leave my LUT opacity, contrast, highlights, shadows, saturation and hue on 0. I'll turn my grain effect to low, turn color noise off, and turn my sharpness and my noise reduction all the way down to -5. These are the few initial tweaks that I found give me the most film-like looking images to begin with. So once you have your LUT loaded and your settings how you like them, you can hit the display button and save your look into one of the My Photo Style slots. One little top tip I have here is to take a few example images with the LUT loaded. If the LUT looks too strong, simply turn down the LUT opacity to 90, 80, 70%, something like that, just to dial down the strength of the LUT. That's a feature with the LUMIX cameras that I think is really useful and something that a lot of people overlook. So that's really all there is to it. If you followed along and loaded some LUTs from the LUMIX Lab App, you're now ready to start shooting JPEGs. I've loaded the Nay LUT from the LUMIX Lab App into my LUMIX S9, and I'm going to take a walk and take a few photographs, so why don't you come and join me? This way of shooting really is the easiest, fastest, most creative and most fun way to get great looking images straight out of the camera. I take my little LUMIX S9 with me everywhere I go, and at any one time I have about 3 to 5 LUTs loaded ready to shoot with. As I'm a professional photographer, I always choose to shoot RAW and JPEGs with LUTs, but most of the time the RAW files end up getting transferred to my computer as backups, and I end up sharing the JPEGs I've shot straight from the camera. By skipping the editing process, my LUT-loaded LUMIX camera saves me so much time and energy that can be put back into shooting and capturing my life and the people around me. So thank you, LUMIX.